Hello students, today we are going to see about the step-by-step fractions, that is about the case 8. Already 7 cases I have posted in my channel. Please look on to the video, then only you will be able to understand about this present case what I am teaching over here. Okay, so in this problem when you look on here, we have 1 the whole divided by 2a plus 1 by b plus 1 by 4c, that is equal to 9 by 26. This is your if condition. You have to find out then the value of a plus b plus c you are going to find out. So previously it was very easier to do it here. So here also it's a little bit easy when you follow this particular trick over here. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this 9 upon 26. When you usually take 9 upon 26, 9 will be a dividend, 26 will be a divisor. But here you will write it in just the opposite manner you will be writing. So 9 will be a divisor, 26 will be your dividend you will be writing. Then I usually do my continuous division will be followed over here. So I will follow till I get the remainder 0. I will be following. So 18. So I'll be getting here 8. Then next this divisor 9 will become your next dividend. So I will be doing my calculation as such over here. Then I'll write 8. Then 8 times 8. Now I got the remainder 0. So once I arrive with the remainder 0, this 2 indicates the value that is for the 2a, that is for this particular step. Okay, then next this 1 indicates this b value will indicate over here. Okay, then next this 8 will indicate that is about the value of that 4c over here. It goes from the bottom to the top. 4c b 2a, 4c b 2a you will be having over here. So now already you know here what 2a is equal to 2 you know here. Okay, so 2a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. You will be getting your answer. Then next I know b value is equal to 1. Then next c value. So 4c is equal to 8. C is equal to 8 by 4. C is equal to 2. So now I can find my value of a plus b plus c. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 4. It's very easy to understand, no students. Next, move on to the second problem. In this problem, we have like 4 steps. We have it here. So we have a plus 1 by 2b plus 1 by 3c plus 1 by d, that is equal to 30 by 43. You're going to find out a plus b plus c plus d. You're going to find out. The same way now I'm going to follow the repeated division I'm going to do here. That is about the continued division. So for the 43, the denominator will become the dividend as I told you in the previous slide. 30 will become your divisor. So now I will keep on doing my calculation until I get my remainder 0. I have to get it over here. So 4, then 13, then 3 is a 12, then 1, then this 4 comes over here, then 4, then remainder you're getting over here, it is 0 you're getting here. So once you get the remainder 0 over here, so you have to think from the bottom. This is the value for D, this is the value for 3Z, this is the value of 2B, this is the value of A you will be getting here. So now it is very easy for me here to get to know that A value, that is the A value here, that is equal to 1. 2b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So 3z is equal to 3. C is equal to 3 by 3, that is 1. So d is equal to 4. So now let me substitute the values upon over here. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4, 5, 6, 7 will be my answer over here. Now let's move on to the third problem over here. So now when you move on to the third problem over here, so here in this way, if I do the continued division, I won't be able to get my answer. Because when you do the continued division, I'm not getting the remainder 0. So in that case, what I'm going to do here, little bit modification to be done over here. That is 45 by 53. I will write it in terms of the reciprocal format. That is in terms of the improper fraction. So when you write them as an improper fraction, I'll be getting here. So 53 by 45 you will be getting. This convert them into the mixed. When you convert them, I'll get 1 8 by 45 you will be getting here. So once you get here, this one indicates your the A value you will be getting here. Then you have 8 by 45, right? This 8 by 45, again I will write it in terms of the improper reciprocal. 45 over 8 I'll be writing here. This convert them into the mixed. So you will be getting 5 by 8. Then this 5 indicates your the B value you will be getting over here. Then next you are getting here 5 by 8. This 5 by 8, again do your reciprocal, that is 8 by 5 you will be getting here, right? So once you get the 8 by 5, look in this particular step. So this A, B over, this will be equated to the last step, that is C minus 2 by 5. So you will be getting here 8 by 5 plus 2 by 5 will be equal to C. Then you will be getting 10 by 5 is equal to C. So C value is equal to 2 I will be getting over here. So once I get here C value, so C value is equal to 2 and also A value is 1, B value is 5. So let me substitute it over here to get my values. So if I get here 4A plus B plus 3C, that is 4 into 1 plus 5, that plus 3 into 2 you will be getting. So 4 plus 5 then plus 6, the answer results me here over, it is 15. So now it is very easy for you to understand. So here in this particular video I have explained about the 3 problems. So please watch the video from the beginning till the end. Then only you will understand the difference between each and every problem. Also I request you to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Okay students, thank you. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye students.